This one is a 1974 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one has a paper tray that flips up just like that. It's got a ribbon selector switch to select the color of the ribbon. Since it has a black and red ribbon, what that will do is allow you to hit the bottom of that ribbon. You can see that. I'll show you how that works. You load the paper, the margins are back here, you just push them with your finger. Once you get to the end of the margin, you hit the line space and it'll skip 1, 2, or 3 spaces to switch it. You use this lever here. We're going to keep it on single for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence real quick with red. We'll switch that down so it hits red. It's a very nice machine. This is one of my most popular models I sell. So a lot of people love the Smith-Corona Galaxie and Smith-Corona brand as a daily typer. And the print's really nice. Probably be my go-to typewriter if I was a typer, but I'm not. Just for daily, the print, font, and the typability of this is one of the best. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. It's got a backspace up here in the top left. Switch that ribbon selector switch back up to black. This model has a power space right here. Pretty cool function. It's got a shift lock and it's got a tab function here. Since there's no tab selected, it goes all the way through. But you can set one right there and it'll stop at that tab. You could put them anywhere on the platen, clear it, and it'll go all the way. You don't really want to do that because it'll go all the way to the margin and it'll wear out your machine. So sometimes I like to set it right in the middle so it just stops at that. This one does not have a carriage release lever on this side. It's been broken off. So I like to use this one all the time anyway, so it doesn't really make a big difference to me. You can just use it with the right side. You don't really need both sides. This slides down and you get to the spool area. All the ribbon is here on the left side, brand new ribbon, and it pulls to the right side. I'll show that to you. See it pulling there? To switch the direction, you just push that lever right there back and it'll pull to this side and you can see it pulling, but all the ribbons on this side, so we're gonna flip that back so it pulls to that side. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.